Well, today's a good day because we've got sheetrock being delivered. Now it's time to start hanging the drywall. guys are fast at putting up the drywall. Jan and I are trying to make an attempt to clean up so it makes their job a little easier. Hopefully we're not getting in the way. Looks good. Check out the hallway. It's really coming together. Check out Jana. He's really coming together. Well, good morning. So we're out here today doing some watering, trying to keep these trees alive. But most importantly, we have our finishers here working on the drywall. So we're gonna go inside and check that out right now. All right, well, the finishers have got one more coat in the main house, and in here, this is the guest house. They're about to jump on it and put the first step, the tape and the mud. This is probably my favorite part, so let me show you how it's done. So now that the sheetrockers have wrapped up, I'm gonna be getting started on the trim work and hanging the doors of the house. So, and also hanging our shiplap style / paneling walls. So anyway, I'm gonna get started on that, but I also need to get the medium stack rocks from outside to inside so I can plan for this fireplace. I'm excited about that.